In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload beats to BandLab. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get your beat into a BandLab project using the web version, so you can start arranging, adding tracks, and building your song. First, open your browser and head to bandlab.com. The site works on both desktop and laptop, and a stable internet connection will make the upload smoother. Once the homepage loads, look for the login button, usually at the top right. If you're already signed in, you'll be taken straight to your feed. Otherwise, click Login to continue. On the sign-in screen, choose the option to sign in with Google. This is a quick way to connect without typing a password on screen. Select the Google account you use for BandLab. If you keep multiple accounts, pick the one tied to your music project so your library shows up correctly. When prompted, click Continue to finalize the sign-in and return to BandLab. After you're in, navigate to Library. This is where all your projects live, including anything you've started previously. If you have a lot of sessions, the recent view is a handy way to surface the latest ones. Click the project you want to add your beat to. Think of a project as the container for your tracks, takes, and edits. Inside the project page, open Studio. This launches BandLab's editor where you'll see your timeline, track list, and tools. Give it a moment to load. Larger projects and slower connections can take a few extra seconds. Now you're ready to bring in the beat. In the studio, look for the area that says drop a loop or an audio MIDI video file. You can drag and drop your beat straight from your computer or click that area to browse and select the file. WAV files typically give the best quality, but high bitrate MP3s work too. If you know the tempo of your beat, make a mental note. Matching the project tempo later helps everything line up neatly on the grid. BandLab will place the file on a new audio track. If it doesn't land exactly at the start, you can drag it to bar 1 for a clean arrangement. A couple of quick tips as it uploads. Keep your file names clear so you can find versions easily, and aim for common sample rates like 44.1 or 48 kilo adds for smooth playback. Once the waveform appears, you're good to go. From here you can listen back, add instruments or vocals, and continue creating. And that's it, your beat is now uploaded to BandLab. Happy producing!